everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing great. So my name is Siddhi and I am a cabin crew. So in today's video I am going to share with you all how you can get ready for your cabin crew interview day. So before beginning, let me tell you guys, this is my very first video. So show some love by subscribing to my channel and press the bell notification next to it. Like this video, do share my video with everyone so that we can all help each other. Comment down on which next topic you want me to make video on. So before beginning, let me tell you one more thing guys. For the cabin crew interview, there is more than a makeup, like accessories, clothes and everything. So if you want me to make like full detailed video on accessories, clothes, question answer and everything, then do let me know down in the comment section. Now without any further ado, let's just get begin with the video. So before beginning with the makeup, we need to do the process at the CTM, that's cleaning, toning and moisturizing. So I'm done with the cleaning, toning and moisturizing. So next step is primer. So over here I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Primer is basically used to close the open pores. So you have to focus where you have more the open pores. So it might be this area. Yes. So yes, I'm done with the primer. So now next step is to do the concealer. So I'm taking over here Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Anyways, I will give you the product information down in the description box, so make sure you check the description box. So now we need to conceal the under eye area. Okay, I'm going to conceal my under eye area, the upper eye area, like eyelid, and whatever the scars or the blemishes you have, like I have acne scars over here a little bit, so I'm going to conceal that. What I'm going to do is the foundation. So you have to use, guys, again the foundation depends upon the coverage you want, like if you need high coverage or medium coverage, it's totally up to you guys. So I have over here used the medium coverage foundation. You have to cover your face properly with the foundation. Okay, make sure you cover your hairline, your jawline properly. So next step we are going to do is the compact powder, that is the loose powder. So I'm going to dab this compact powder all over my face properly. As you can see how I'm doing it. So yes, I am done guys. So next I'm going to do is my eyebrows. Okay, for the eyebrows, let me tell you guys, you don't need to be like draw very dramatic eyebrows or anything. Just make sure you fill in the gaps which you have in your eyebrows and you are done. If you can skip this part also if you have a good eyebrows. So I'm going to just fill in the gaps which I have. Okay, so I'm over here using L'Oreal eyebrow palette. This is a dark brown. Make a detailed eyebrow tutorial. Let me know. I will make it in my IGTV. So next step is the eyeshadow, guys. For the eyeshadow, okay, let me just show you the shades. First of all, remember, guys, you need to match the shade size. Basically, your eyeshadow, your lipstick, and your nail paint should match each other, and it should not be north, east, south, west, something like that. So basically, what I mean to say is your eyeshadow should match your lip shade, and your lip shade should match your nail paint. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to here do the pink color today because I have did the pink nail paint. So I'm going to use the pink color eyeshadow over here. So yes guys, not to be very dark eyeshadow, not so light. So for that I am over here going to use this color of eyeshadow today. I hope you guys can see. Yes, let me do a swatch for you. Yes, exactly this color of eyeshadow I'm going to do on my eyes. So let's begin. So yes, I'm going to do the pink color eyeshadow. So yes, this is how I'm going to do my eyeshadow, guys. Remember guys, not too dark and not too light. It should look visible but not like very dark. Guys, so I'm done with my eyeshadow. So now next step is the eyeliner. Okay, so for the eyeliner you can go either for the simple eyeliner or for a wing eyeliner, but make sure you don't do a very dramatic or big wings. If you're doing a wing eyeliner, make sure your wings are very small. So let's do the wing eyeliner. So over here I am using Lakme black eyeliner. For the eyeliner mascara, make sure you use only black color. So now yes, let's do the wing eyeliner. So yes. Okay guys, as I'm done with the eyeliner, as you can see I've did the wing eyeliner, but both my wings are like a small in size, which is looking very presentable and yet very nice. So next step is mascara. So I'm using mascara over here, and I'll give you product details in the down description box for sure if you want to buy the same, or you will get the like idea which product you need to use. So next step is mascara guys. Make sure you apply a black color mascara very properly, because mascara is again a very important to make your eyes look beautiful and wild, big, open. As you can see I've done with the mascara, and you can see the difference that my eyes are looking so beautiful with the mascara, like a very big wide open eyes. So next step is kajal. Again, this is an optional step. You can skip this step if you want, like if your eyes are very small, like the tiny eyes you have, then you can skip the kajal part, but still you want, then you can apply the kajal always. I will definitely show you my interview day pic in my Instagram. So I'm going to post my interview day on like the picture of my interview day on my Instagram. So do follow there, so you will get to know that how I got ready for my interview and how I went for the interview. So again, kajal, for the kajal also black charcoal only guys. So let's apply a kajal. Again, remember guys, for the kajal also you need to apply very thin line of kajal, not very dark or anything, because you have already done liner, mascara and everything. So make sure you do very thin kajal which looks so beautiful. So let's just do the kajal. Okay guys, so as you can see I'm done with the kajal as well, and see how beautiful my eyes are looking. Perfect thin little wing eyeliner with a mascara and a kajal with a very thin light kajal. It's looking all so beautiful. So now next step, like we are done with the eyes part, so now next is I'm going to do a blush. Again, blush is also going to be a pink color only, because eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, nail paint all goes pink color. So again pink color, so I'm going to use this, like again same light pink color blush, as I have used a light pink color eyeshadow. So I'm going to use a light pink color blush only. Light in the sense it should not be very light, like it's not visible only, but it should like a little bit visible, but a proper like a color. Okay, I hope you got what I want to say. Anyways, so I'm going to use this light pink color blush. So let's do this. As you can see, I've applied a very lightly this blush. Yes guys, so I'm done with the blush. See how beautiful it's looking, all like complementing each other. So now next step is the highlighter. So yeah, I'm going to use the highlighter. Okay, so I'm going to highlight my nose. Yes, like this. I've highlighted the nose. I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, the eyebrow bone, the cheekbone. So yes guys, I'm done with the highlighting part as well, as you can see very well. So next step I'm going to do is the lipstick. So again, a pink lipstick is the perfect shade. Okay, so as we are done with the lipstick as well, so next step and the final step is to set everything up with the makeup setting spray. So yes, let's just do this. We are done with the makeup. So this is the final makeup. As you can see, my eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, nail paint, everything complements each other. It's not anything east west going on. Like my pink pink, pink and pink. As I said earlier also guys, in the interview it is very important to apply the makeup which complements each other, especially the shades. There are only few particular shades which you can apply in your on your cabin crew interview day. So if you want to know what type of shades like colors you can use on your interview day, so do follow me on my Instagram page. On there I will let you know what type of colors you can use on your cabin crew interview day. And guys, remember one thing, on the cabin crew interview day it is very important to look beautiful, pleasant and professional, because that job is something not you are not going for a party. Remember that when I went for my interview, I went so many times. Of course I will share you with my story that how everything happened. So yes, when I went for my interview, I saw many girls, they were all, you know, dolled up like glam, but that is completely not acceptable guys. Because remember, you are not there for the party, you are there for some very professional, responsible job. Makeup is the important guys for the cabin crew and for the interview day, because it shows how beautiful you look, how it enhances your beauty. Makeup is basically to enhance your beauty. You know, you all are beautiful, but by applying makeup it enhances your beauty, you know. So yes guys, the makeup is important. So remember what type of makeup you apply, that's all going to see. Because when you first entered into the interview room, when you first go in front of the interviewer, all they are going to see is this, and inside talent what you have they are going to see afterwards, you know. First they will see this. And so yes guys, so do follow me on my Instagram as well, because there I usually post like what type of colors you need to do. And guys, I'm going to post on my Instagram that what type of dress code you can wear on your interview day, colors like for the shirt, colors, then skirt, then shoes, what type of clothes you can wear, like everything. So guys, remember for the interview it's not just makeup ki okay chalo meko makeup aa gaya then I will go for the interview and you are done. No guys, it is very important to wear the presentable clothes. For the clothes also there are particular colors. I will definitely tell you each and everything in detail, trust me guys. But all you need to do is let me know down in the comment section whether you are interested or not to watch that. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked my video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, press the bell notification next to it, and do comment down like on which topic you want me to make next video on. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and love you all. Bye bye.